Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to find secret conversation on Messenger. Secret conversations and disappearing messages are great when you want extra privacy, messages that vanish after a set time, and notify you if someone takes a screenshot. Let's walk through it. First, open the Messenger app on your phone and make sure you are logged in. Next, open any chat in your inbox, pick a friend or group chat where you want to enable disappearing messages. Tap the profile name at the top of the chat to open chat settings. Scroll down and look for disappearing messages. After that, tap that option. You will see choices to turn disappearing messages off or set a time limit. Pick 24 hours if you want messages to disappear a day after they are seen. Select 24 hours and confirm. From now on, messages in that chat will disappear after the chosen duration. If someone takes a screenshot or records the screen, Messenger will usually send a notification in the chat, so you know. Keep in mind that on older versions of Messenger, messages may behave slightly differently. They sometimes disappear 24 hours after being seen, or may not send screenshot alerts. If you want end-to-end encryption, you can also start a full secret conversation by tapping the person's name and selecting Go to Secret Conversation. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.